In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to create a group in Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Create group in Office 365 Admin Center. If you're an admin looking to bring people, files, and conversations together, a Microsoft 365 group is the easiest way to do it. A group gives your team a shared mailbox, calendar, files, and collaboration space. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can create one confidently. First, open the Microsoft 365 Admin Center in your browser and sign in with an account that has admin permissions. Once you're in, look to the left navigation and select Teams and Groups. This is where all your organization's group types are managed. Next, choose Active Teams and Groups to see what already exists and to start creating something new. Select Add a Microsoft 365 group. This option ensures you're creating the modern group type that connects services like Outlook, SharePoint, and Planner. You'll start on the Basics screen. Enter a clear, descriptive name that matches how your team works, such as the project, department, or function. Add a short description so people understand the purpose at a glance. Keep the name concise and consistent with any naming standards your organization uses. When you're happy with it, click Next. Now, assign owners. Owners manage membership and settings, so choose at least one person who will be responsible for keeping the group up to date. Adding two owners is a good idea for coverage, and you can always adjust this later. Click Next. Add members by searching for and selecting the users who should be part of the group. You can add as many as you need, and you can always return to add or remove members in the future. When your initial list looks right, click Next. Set the group's custom email address and privacy. The address is how people will email the group. Make it simple, recognizable, and unique. Then choose public if you want anyone in your organization to find and view the group's content, or private if only members should have access. Most teams choose private for focused collaboration. Before you finalize, review everything carefully. Confirm the group name and description, verify the email address spelling and domain, and double check that owners and members are correct. This is also a good moment to ensure the privacy setting matches your intent. When everything looks good, select Create Group. After the confirmation, click Close. Your new group will appear under Active Teams and Groups, and it may take a few minutes to fully show up across apps. That's it. You've created a Microsoft 365 group ready for your team to use.